Hello friends, welcome by KSD Learning Time. Today we are going to learn the Poonam's Day Out, chapter number 1 of 3rd CBSE from Looking Around EVS book. Before starting our lesson, you should say some names of animals and birds after me and see the pictures as well. So let's start. Say after me. Crow, peacock, dove, sparrow, goose, stork, pigeon and turkey. Now see the names of animals and the pictures. Lion, tiger, elephant, cow, cat and dog. Now let's start the Poonam's Day Out. Ma, please let me go to school today. I have been at home for the past 2 days. I am getting bored, said Poonam. But you still have fever. Go outside and lie down on the cot. Reply, Ma. Poonam fell asleep on the cot. Suddenly, something fell on her face. Poonam woke up at once and touched her cheek. Oh no! Whose mischief is this? Is it the crows or the pigeons? It seems it's the crows. In this scene, Poonam and her mother are talking with each other. Ma said to Poonam, "You still have fever, lie on the bed. Don't go to school." But Poonam said, "From last 2 days I am at home. I am getting bored. Let me go to school." यहाँ पूनम और माँ सुबह सुबह एक दूसरे से बातें कर रहे हैं। पूनम कहती है, माँ 2 दिन से मैं घर पे बोर हो गई हूँ, मुझे आज स्कूल जाने दो। लेकिन माँ कहती है कि तुम्हारा बुखार अभी तक कम नहीं हुआ है, जाओ जाके आराम करो। पूनम जाके बेड पे सोई रही थी कि अचानक से उसके मुंह पे कुछ गिर जाता है और वह उठ के अपने गालों को हाथ लगाती है और कहती है, ओह नो, यह किसकी हरकत है? जरूर कौवा और कबूतर। मुझे तो लगता है कि कौवे की ही होगी। Now see next what happened. Poonam picked up a leaf from the ground and wiped her cheek with it, but her cheek was still sticky. She thought, let me go and wash my face in the nearby pond. शायद उस कौवे ने उसके मुंह पे पोटी की होगी, इसलिए पूनम ग्राउंड पे पड़ा हुआ पत्ता लेके अपना मुंह साफ करने लगती है। फिर भी उसका गाल चिपका चिपका सा ही था, तो उसने सोचा कि मुझे अपना मुंह धोना चाहिए। So she want to go to nearby pond to wash the face. Poonam has washed her face and she was looking up at the tree. She saw many animals on the tree. Now we will also see that animals on the tree. First one is pigeon. Second one is monkey. Third one is cuckoo. Fourth one is butterflies. Fifth one is sparrow. Sixth one is squirrel. Seventh one is crow, and last smallest one, ants are there. Now, which animals did Poonam see at the pond? Look at the picture and write their names. We also want to observe the picture. See, Poonam is washing her face and goat is eating grass. Tortoise is drinking water from the pond. And crane is standing on buffalo's back. See at that corner, black and white colors with red legs, stork is there. Two buffaloes are also swimming in the pond. Now see next, can you act like the animals seen at the pond? Which animal makes what kind of sounds and movements? Try to make similar sounds. Different animals move in different ways to go from one place to another. Some animals walk, some crawl, some fly, and some swim. For this, some animals use their feet, some use their wings, some animals even take the help of their tail. Now, what you want to do? That you want to see. You must have seen many animals too. आपने बहुत सारे एनिमल्स देखे होंगे, उसमें से कौन से चल सकते हैं, कौन से उड़ सकते हैं, कौन से बच्चों की तरह क्रॉल करते हैं, कौन से फ्रॉग की तरह हॉप करते हैं। ये सारे एनिमल्स के नेम आपको अपने नोटबुक में लिखने हैं। पहले आपको यह एनिमल्स को ऑब्जर्व करना है। ऑन योर ऑब्जर्वेशन बेसिस यू वांट टू कंप्लीट दिस क्वेश्चन। Already maybe you have seen many animals too, so you can write now this question's answer. The animals which can fly. One example already I have given here. So which animal can fly? Yes, crow can fly, sparrow can fly, parrot can fly. Which animal can crawl? Yes, correct. Lizard can crawl. Now we will see next animals. Can walk. Which animal can walk? Yes, horse. Already one example I have given here, but more two examples you want to write in the notebook. Which animal can hop? Many times we are also doing hopping jumps of the frog. And which animal have wings? Yes, sparrow have wing, parrot have wing. Many birds have wings. Which animal have feet? Cow. Cow can walk. Horse can walk. So horse have feet, cow have feet. Which animal have a tail? Yes, monkeys have a tail. Animals live in different places. Some animals live in the trees, some in water, some live on land, some live under the ground, and some fly in the sky. Some animals even live in our houses. Children, now here is interesting activity for you. Look at the given pictures. Look properly because you want to draw all the pictures in the EVS notebook and color the animals that do not leave your house. इसका मतलब यह सारे एनिमल्स के पिक्चर आपको अपने नोटबुक में निकालने हैं और उसमें से सिर्फ जो एनिमल्स आपके घर पे नहीं है उसको कलर करना है. Now here is one more interesting activity for you, that is who am I? Find my name in the crossword and put a circle around it. One example has been given here. दिए हुए लाइन आपको पढ़ने हैं और उसमें से तर्क लगा के आपको एनिमल का नाम इस क्रॉसवर्ड में ढूंढना है और वह नाम मिलने के बाद उसको सर्कल करना है. तो देखते हैं पहला एग्जाम्पल. ऑलरेडी उधर दिया हुआ है मंकी. बनाना इज व्हाट आई लव ईटिंग. I spend my time jumping and leaping. It's the monkey. Now second one we will read and find out from the crossword. On the walls, web I view, where insects stick and cannot live. Who am I? Now we want to find this animal's name in the crossword. See, I think it may be spider. S-P-I-D-E-R, spider. Same way, remaining three animals' name you want to find out in the crossword and circle that name. Now here is one magic for you. Magic with fingers. These pictures are made by using fingers and ink and watercolor. You should observe this picture properly. In the same way, using ink, watercolors, make pictures of animals by using your own imagination and your own ideas and use it to decorate your school and house. आपको इंक और वाटर कलर यूज करके ऐसे ही बहुत सारे पिक्चर्स बनाने हैं आपके खुद के इमेजिनेशन और आइडिया के साथ और उसको अपना घर और स्कूल सजाने के लिए यूज़ करना है. इस लर्निंग, ड्राइंग और पेंटिंग के साथ साथ हम कुछ फन की एक्टिविटी भी करने वाले हैं. लेट अस हैव सम फन नाउ. इन योर नोटबुक ड्रॉ अ पिक्चर ऑफ एन एनिमल दैट यू हैव सीन. आपने देखे हुए किसी भी एनिमल का पिक्चर आपको अपने नोटबुक में निकालना है. Make groups of 3 children each. Each group will take a white paper. आपको 3 बच्चों का ग्रुप बनाना है. Each group will take a white paper. और हर एक ग्रुप के पास एक white paper होगा. In each group, one child will draw the face and neck of an animal at the top of the paper and hide it by folding this part. इसका मतलब हर ग्रुप के एक बच्चे को वह एनिमल का फेस एंड नेक ड्रॉ करना है और उसको फोल्ड करके रखना है. Now see the next. The second child will draw the body of another animal in the center of the paper and hide it by folding the paper. दूसरा वाला बच्चा, ग्रुप का पहला वाला बच्चा सिर्फ फेस एंड नेक निकालेगा और उसको फोल्ड करके रखेगा. अभी दूसरा बच्चा, the second child will draw the body of another animal. दूसरे एनिमल की बॉडी ड्रॉ करके उसको फोल्ड करके रखेगा. Now see the next one. The third child will draw the feet of yet another animal. अभी तीसरा बच्चा, वह 3 बच्चों के ग्रुप का तीसरा बच्चा तीसरे ही कोई एनिमल के फीट को ड्रॉ करेगा. Now fourth one. Now unfold the paper and look at the picture. Does it look like a funny animal? Now you want to look at this full picture. तीनों बच्चों ने एक ही पेपर पे ड्रॉ किया हुआ है. Also see the pictures made by your friends. अभी हर एक ग्रुप का एक एक पिक्चर फनी पिक्चर बनेगा. After all these activities, you want to spend some time under a tree. Observe the animals carefully. Name the animals which can be seen on the branches. Which animal you have seen, write their names. On the leaves, on the trunk, on the ground, around the tree, which animals you have seen, all the animals names you want to write in the notebook. Now arrange these animals in the order of their size, smallest being the first. पहले आपको smallest animals के नाम लेने हैं, बाद में उससे थोड़े बड़े, उससे थोड़े बड़े. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please share and subscribe our channel to get more videos on NCERT.